Hi guys, this is how we do our laundry in the village. Okay, so we fetch water from there. We are going to fetch water together very soon so that I can show you when that lady leaves. I'll show you how we fetch water. Somebody says, I'm in. I'm going to fetch you.
And this somebody.
So we fetch water using this bucket. I'm sitting on top of the bucket. So we fetch water and then we put in these dishes. And then I use washing powder. I normally use Sunlight, but when I sent my son to buy for me, he bought that mark for me. So it's my first time using it. I don't know. It looks strong though. It looks very good. So normally we start by washing white clothes. And this is my favorite t-shirt. My Zimbabwean t-shirt, guys. I love it. I love it. If you guys want your Zimbabwean t-shirts, let me know, guys, so that I can make a plan for you. I can organize for you. So this is how we wash clothes here in Seke, the rurals of Zimbabwe, guys. The river is too far from us, so here we use bowls. Here we use bowls. So after washing here, we rinse it. Just want to quickly finish this white clothes so that I can show you where I will hang those clothes. Mosca, I know you can be white.
I am your bro. Put on top of me too.
Yeah, I ain't gonna know what. I very know what. Names got so.
How to name us when I cannot be some business connect.
Because then it's no you must special arm.
Sasa sana mbone magati peko.
Seriously. Baby.
Sure ndazona tine.
Maybe nigga, if it's a broda. I chicken pa baby down.
Asike papo.
Ndoto zungusha kuti mbamnono, otherwise you know like 2 months. Guys, you know what I'm telling my sister? She's my sister's daughter. She's my brother's daughter. This one, the one who's holding a camera. Her name is Tawana Nyash. Her name is Tawana Nyash. I want to tell you something, guys. Since I come here, we are taking Tawa. So, guys, I want to tell you something. You see, this one is Tawana Nyash. This one is my brother's daughter. Guys, this one is very smart in school. Tawana, how many subjects did you got?
8 over 9.
8 out of 9 subjects. How many A's? How many B's? Please.
5 A's, 2 B's, and 1 C.
Guys, did you hear that? 5 A's. How many B's?
2 B's.
2 B's and 1 C. And she was even telling me that she failed. Guys, can you believe that? Guys, I told you I'm going to buy her something very nice when she starts school next term. What did I promise you, Tawa?
School shoes.
I promised you school shoes, guys. If I had lots of money, I was going to do something very big for her. But I'm going to buy her school shoes. I'm super excited, guys. These are some of the people who give me strength to stay in the village when I'm seeing my brother's daughters, you know, my family doing well. So she came here to stay with me where I'm washing. So, but I want to show you guys where we fetch our water to wash. This is my t-shirt from Kariba Bookings. Guys, please kindly follow Kariba Bookings. If you want to visit Kariba, please guys, get in touch with Kariba Bookings. You can search them, they are everywhere. On Facebook, on TikTok, they are there. And on IG, on Instagram. Just follow Kariba Bookings. So I make sure I wash my favorites first. My favorite, white of course. I want to show you guys where we fetch water. Okay? I want to show you where we fetch water and how we fetch it. I want to show you guys where we fetch water and how to fetch it. Oh yes, we are going to the bowl now. We're going to the bowl. To fetch water. To wash our clothes. Our bowl is very light. Many people, they always say our bowl is very light, and it is very light. It's not even heavy. Oh. So this one is our community bowl, guys. This is where we fetch water. This is where we fetch water as a community. This was installed by our government for people who are in villages. So everyone can get water. You know why I like this one, guys? So that I can bend my baby, my is it arm fat? Yeah. So that I can bend this fat. So I want to tell you guys something. Before I carry my package. You see this thing? How? It's one way we put water for animals, isn't it?
Yeah.
If there's no water, like if it's drought or there's no water in the rivers, or if there's no water in everywhere else, we put water here for our goats, for our cows, for our animals. So now, I'm carrying this water so that I'll put it there. It's a short distance, guys. That's why I didn't put it in my head. Oh. So now, after rinsing, I'll fetch another water, guys. So after rinsing water here, I'll rinse it there again. After rinsing here, I'll rinse there again, and then I'll hang it. So now I'm continuing. I'll also show you guys after doing after doing this laundry. I'm going to show you guys where we hang clothes here in the village, here close to the bowl where we fetch water. Hey, Tawa, uruzi outfit ya ndakafika msuyo ya. Wana shama shakaita. Guys, I love long dresses. I like long dresses. So most of my clothes are very long. So this one, when I came to the village, I didn't have another dress to change. I only brought this one. And the top. Where is the top? I didn't see it. I'll check. I'll look for it.
And I made the mom zakawanda.
And that's not as number one. Sikumbeze chile rampeta tizuhandi.
Atenda dzirefu zakufita.
Oh. That's very nice. That's very nice. Oh, yende ndikafara shuma iyi. Ndefara. Ndechirumende ndakafeteka kuvanhu veku from the main side. I love it. So as long as I like something, it doesn't matter. It's for men, it's for wara, it's for wara, guys. I'll just buy it when I like it. Mental was getting my shoe. It was over. Yeah, so guys, this is all my laundry. This is all my pretty clothes. They are not plain. I thought there were lots of them. So the reason why I came with a wheelbarrow is after a year, mental don't take us men.
Okay.
Kana 2 mabag. 2 mabag anorema straight nebara. For 3.
I know it.
Anyanyorema.
3 anyanyorema. Saka kunotenga 3. Kutenga 3 na stress kumba bangwana ubai 3 again. Stress kumba shungu daruda. So guys, thank you so much for those who are following me, guys, those who have subscribed to this special YouTube channel. Asante sana guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And also those who are sharing my videos, those who are showing their friends. So I'm a returnee, guys. I recently came from Cape Town, South Africa, guys, with nothing, with only my only 2 bags, only to come and start a life here in the deep rurals of Zimbabwe. So where I'm based is called Kwaseke, Kungome. That's my rural home. So that is my story. You know, I decided to come back home after South Africa didn't work well for me. No, it was working before, and then, you know, things started getting hard and hard for me, tough and tough for me. Then I decided, hey, I didn't burn my home, let me go back home and start afresh. That is where I'm here. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me. So I'm going to be starting my project. Thank you so much. Also, I would like to also thank those who are supporting me financially. Now I'll be starting very soon my chicken projects, guys. I'll be starting my chicken projects very soon. I'll be building a fowl run. I'll also be buying my day-old chicks, guys, to start my project. Special thanks to those people who are also supporting me financially. Some of them, they don't want to be mentioned. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.